My name is Shawn Xiaoyu. I'm a UX design lead at Aptera. So I'm basically in charge of the development of user interface, user experience, and also working with engineers to set a pipeline for development for our digital experience. I started my career as a car designer. I'm working at different car companies, from startups to like big OEMs, like international OEMs. And then I shift my focus into I want to do something more digital to deliver more value to our customer. I first read about Aptera in the science magazine, so I was really touched at the time by the big vision of, we're using solar, the sustainable power to just basically empower our future of transportation. And that really got me super excited. Working for Aptera right now with this amazing team, this feels like a dream come true. The bigger goal is to deliver the most efficient vehicle on the planet. And the user goal is we are offering an experience that's unified, that's simple, that's minimal, but also fun to use. Simplicity drives user experience. We want to make each task as simple as possible, at the same time as efficient as possible. So one of the big challenges was like, this vehicle feels like nothing else, right? It feels like we're introducing a new species to the world. Like we're creating something from scratch, nobody ever seen it before. And that's actually the opportunity to say, how can we actually deliver a user experience that matches that? Truly feel the uniqueness of this digital and physical experience. When we're building a digital experience, we're not only just building a mobile app or infotainment screen, we're building an Aptera ecosystem where all parts work together as a whole. So everything's super consistent, everything is very unified, and user will feel that like click that instantly across all different platforms. Everything is basically centered on the infotainment screen, which means you'll be able to control your windows, your doors, your vehicle settings, and ACs all in one place. So its user will know where to find it, and will be able to find it in a super simple and efficient way. We really evaluate on what will user needs under different scenarios. So how the user use the vehicle, do the users just go get groceries with the vehicle? Do the user take that to road trips? Solar is a big tenant in our Aptera owning experience. So we're actually really proud to be able to show the user how much energy, sustainable energy, the vehicle is getting in real time. So imagine like you're at a gym and your vehicle is parked on the parking lot. You'll be able to see the real time how much energy you're gaining on a vehicle, which is like, I wouldn't work out for 2 hours, I get this much energy, and that will calculate into this much of miles. It's really like a daily encounter that will user feels like, this experience is truly unique. And as for charger finding and also route planning, we'll be introducing way more features to support user to embrace and empower this freedom of mobility. The framework of Aptera's digital experience is one of the most efficient and also one of the most scalable that I've ever seen. What it means like our user can just happily get excited about what features that we will offer to them in the near future. Software is able to deliver more value to customers in a shorter period of time through constant OTA updates. So I think the overall aesthetic, the goal we're trying to create is something that's logical, because this is safety related. User will be able to perceive things in an efficient way, but also there's a big fun part of this. The color we are using, or the animation, the 3D assets, the image we're showing, it's all like, this is actually fun. But using logic, the UX part, I was like, I'm able to achieve my goal, I'm able to complete my task super quickly, but this experience is actually really, really fun, and I love it. There's this famous term in the design world called form follow function. I think Aptera check all the boxes of all forms follow this function, and all functions follow this vision. I'm really optimistic about solar. The energy is super sustainable. You can get it anytime, almost from anywhere. You can get it where you're moving. So I'm really excited to see how solar will reshape our world in the future. I definitely want to go to Monterey. The Highway 1 PCH is definitely the place I want to go. I feel like this is this most innovative vehicle on one of the most scenic roads in the world.
Pizza or tacos?
I think Panda Express.